Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Millie and my YouTube channel name is Simply Millie. That is also my brand name. So what I do is I'm a fashion designer, a sustainable fashion designer. That is, I do upcycling, thrifting, anything related to sustainability in fashion. That is what I do. And thank you to all the people who have been here. I've been like on a break for like a year or so, just doing other things, but I'm back to doing and creating YouTube content. So thank you so much for all of you guys who have been here, who have stayed here for all that time. And to everyone who is new here, please hit the subscribe button and be ready to see more fashion content, thrifting, everything related to sustainability and all. So today's video is all about my sewing space. So I recently did like a little revamp of my sewing space, as you can see. So today I'm just going to take you guys through this and see whatever or the space I use to create the magic that I create. So thank you guys for being here and see you through the video. My little sewing space, my happy space, as you can see. So I'll start off with my chair. So I have this white chair. It's so comfortable, and I have this pillow just for cushioning because sometimes I sit long hours, so it's just for cushioning. And then I'll start with this wall here. So these golden lines that you can see here are actually ribbons. So this is what I used to create this wall. So I thrifted these ribbons from Gikomba. They were in a place where that person was selling a lot of things. So I just bought different types of ribbons from him. They were actually so cheap. So that ribbon is what I used here, and it turned out so good. I just used like paper glue, the glue we used on paper. That is what I used to stick, and as you can see, it stuck on the wall so well. No one can notice that. So I did it on this side. So we have a corner here and also on this side. So I wanted to remove these hooks, but they were so hard to come off. So I just let them be because they are still functional. This is where I hang some of my tools. So this ribbon, I just cut it here and then extended it on this other side. Yeah, so that is all about that. So I have like different pictures on this wall, so I'll just take you through like quickly and tell you what they're all about. So this part, this picture, it's like my favorite because this was Kibera Fashion Week. I was showcasing at Kibera Fashion Week, and this was my first ever collection that I have ever done in my life. So it was a very surreal moment, this collection. And actually guys, it was on top of matatus. This runway was on top of matatus. I'll post a video about this. So it was actually a very nice moment and people were cheering me on. So yeah, it's like the first on this. Yeah, this one is also from Kibera Fashion Week, and this one is also from Kibera Fashion Week. This was the model, the fitting for the models before the show. I had actually done like 80% of the work. It was a very nice moment. This whole experience, it was not easy because I was working. So imagine working, creating the collection, the deadlines and all. But all in all, this was the result. So I was happy about that. And it was a very good moment, a very good experience to meet great designers that we worked along with, great models, and especially a video for guiding us through the experience. So the next picture I'm going to talk about is this one. This was from Eco Fashion Week. So it was my first sustainable fashion experience or competition. It was actually a competition to create a sustainable look, and I actually won. So this look, it was like a blazer which I upcycled. It was this green blazer. I cut it, put another blazer, and then the parts from this blazer is the ones I put here. And this was like just an official pinstripe pant. Then I had a denim short that I use here, and also whatever I'm wearing, I upcycled it from a blazer. I really love upcycling blazers, and I won this competition. So it was the first edition of Eco Fashion Week. So they're all about sustainability. And this one here, this one is actually from last year. It was the Eco Fashion Week 2nd edition, and I participated in the competition and I won again. So this is why I love sustainability. I love upcycling because I get to create, it's like doing magic, finding something boring and then revamping it into something very nice. Yeah, as you can see, this was the day of the competition, and Antonio Sol was the host and he really hyped me up. It was a really nice show. Yeah. And there's this last one here at the bottom. This was also another event, like a sustainable fashion event. This one wasn't a competition. It was just like showcasing different upcycled creations. Yeah, nothing much to say about this, but it was a nice experience. I really love upcycling. Yeah, so that's all I have to say about these pictures. And then here we have like a little bio of what I do. So I'll just read it out. Simply Millie is a forward-thinking, sustainable fashion brand committed to creating timeless, eco-conscious apparel for the modern individual. My designs fuse high-quality, responsibly sourced materials with a minimal yet sophisticated aesthetic, ensuring that each piece reflects a deep respect for the planet. I believe in thoughtful fashion that embraces durability, ethical craftsmanship, and environmental integrity. Yeah, so this is all about the wall and the pictures. Then we move on swiftly to my beloved tool. So this is what does all the magic. So this is my sewing machine. It's a Juki DDL 8700 straight stitch. So I'll do a video about how this functions. So I'll just sweep through that. Then we have this corner. I've put like some of the threads I have, but we'll find a nice space for them. Then here we have chalk, like the chalk I used to mark on fabric with. So we have like different colors here. Then I have a storage for my bobbins and thread and needle and presser fit. So I also bought this container along with the ribbons. So that's one. Then this one has different beads inside and a ribbon also. And here, as you can see, I still have like my phone box. Most people get rid of this, some don't get rid of it. So this box is actually it's going to 3 years old. So I didn't throw it. This is all about sustainability also. So I use it as storage for some things there, as you can see. So don't throw your phone boxes. Then I have this box. It's like a metallic box, which is also storage for small things. Then I also have this container. So this one, I also bought it along with the other ones from Gikomba. It was around 300. All of them were around 300 plus all the ribbons. So that's it. Then I have machine oil because the machine is metallic, so we have to oil the different parts for lubrication. Then on this corner, I have my pin cushion, which I made by myself. Don't mind the rest. So yeah, this is a button here, as you can see. Yeah, nothing much to say. So this is where I pin all my pins. Then on this wall, I have this embroidery loop. It's used to do embroidery. Then here is my measuring tape. Here it is. Then I have my paper scissors because as tailors and designers, we don't use the same scissors for fabric and paper. And this is my gigantic fabric scissors. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything I have to show for my sewing space. Yeah, so also this bio, we had like a screening for the Kibera Fashion Week. They actually made a documentary about the whole experience. So they made for us like a placard about what we do. And instead of throwing it, I just cut out my bio, put this ribbon around it. I just used paper glue to put this ribbon around, and then these buttons. So they're wooden buttons that I've gotten from like projects I do or outfits I upcycle. Yeah, so here we're all about sustainability, upcycling, reusing, repurposing, and all. So thank you guys for watching, and please make sure you subscribe and share this content. Thank you. Bye. See you on the next video.